Start recording. Yan, yan. Yan, yan. Continue. Sumat ka na ba? Patay sa atin yan. Patay sa atin to.
I will take care of this. Watch out!
What's that? Who's there?
Keep low. He is
Oy,
getting
oh.
close.
Shoutout sa 3,000 viewers. 3,000 viewers. Mami, hinaan mo naman yan. Yan talaga. Doon ka na, manood ka na.
Surprised.
Ayan,
Do not leave the bodies out in the open.
Assassinate. Bugbog. Dead lahat yan.
Stay low.
Tayo pa isa, oh. Patay na to. Assassinate. Ito pa isa, oh. Patay ka. Ayun, nakatake ka pa. Buhay pa to, oh. Boy ka pa. Ala, deads ka na.
That does it. Thank you, Bayek. I told you these Neketi idiots do not care.
I cannot believe they're gone.
It is sad. Come upstairs. I will show you all the Magi duties of Siwa. All the problems of Siwa are here. I try to help everyone, but it is more than I can do.
So you're telling me you do not have the powers of a god?
But the real problem is that man you want to kill. And you know, the people were hopeful when he first arrived. Surely things would improve. We soon learn the truth, actually.
Top. Top, nood lang kayo dyan, ha? Kung trip nyo nila ko, nood lang kayo.
I will move them to a more secure area.
That is the man you're up against.
I will find
That maliliit lang pala nung ano.
Unaman is a lot more powerful,
Yung...
and he is surrounded by the finest soldiers.
I do not care.
You'll be killed. You need to get tougher if you want to murder that spindly shit. For sure, you need better armor.
I can make
Hirap
that
mo
myself.
yan.
Weapons are more difficult. The soldiers took everything in the village.
I will talk to the blacksmith.
Yes, Benipe can certainly make something for you. Or Senu can help you find what you need.
Gahan tayo, hunt.
Senu is alive.
Yun, oh.
Look who is coming.
Ayan na yung drone ko. Drone ko yan, drone.
God. Fine form.
Ayan na.
Amir has nursed it to health.
I must thank her.
Drone yan,
People are
drone.
desperate for your help, Bayek. They'll help you if you help them.
I understand.
Palili pa rin natin yan, drone ko. Nalagan yung ibon, no? Level up. Uy. Game na, game. Ano, oh. Level 5 dapat.
Get a chance, take a
Level 2
look
pa
at
lang
that
tayo.
cave. Some villagers need help.
Yan.
To spring in that cave. I know that cave. Better look into it.
May mga yun.
Teramon.
Dito tayo, ito muna, mga side quest muna. Gear up.
Like him to give up. I need to hunt for leather.
Hunt muna tayo, hunt. Tawagin natin yung drone. Drone. Hindi natin kaya yan. Tayo dito. Oy, camel toe.
Give me the noodle.
Ali, tama na ha.
Okay na.
Panoorin mo si Lia. Mag-hunt muna tayo, hunt.
Pataan.
No, panoorin si Lia ha. May drone din sa planta. Lagi naka-report. Sino yun? Puta na. Ahas ba yun? Ahas ba yun? May map oh. Ay gago. Hindi ko pala nakuha to, mamaya. Ay, mali. Doon pala yun sa taas. Puta. Sino kaya yung drone sa planta? Tayo, may drone sa planta. Sino yun? Shoutout natin dito, Bili. Ito, akit ng bundok, oh. Ay, nakaakyat ng bundok. Ay, gago. Kinakain ng lupa. Tanga, bawal pa. Akyatin lang to, ah. Nomads, oh. Ang bilis umakyat, oh. Parang magnanakaw lang. Ang galing, oh. Tangina, oh. Wall climbing. Ay, gagi. Ang galing, oh. Ayan na. Solid to, solid, oh. Ang taas. Gago, malaglag ka. Patay tayo agad yan. Hihihi. Disyerto. Oy! Tinalon! Yung mga legs pala dito. Tayo sa baba, sa baba. Paano sumakay dito? Ay, gago, sira. Paano tayo bababa? Tala lang, oh. Sira yung babaan. Yun, ayos to, ayos. Mami, sumat ka na. Yun. Talon! Bawas. Ayun o. Maghahan tayo, maghahan. Tingnan natin yung item natin. Palit muna, palit. Ito. Ayun o. Ito sa akin. Gago. Ay, naman. Hunting time tayo, hunting. Patay. Abot.
This will be enough. Thanks to Nave, goddess of hunting.
Double kill. Ay, putang ina, tumakbo. Patay. Mag-hunt lang tayo. Ay, putik. Hindi tinamaan. Ayun o. Hunt natin yan, hunt. Upgrade.
This will work perfectly.
Ah, puta, nakatakbo. Ah! Ayun, ang dami oh. Ay, gago, sunstorm. Ito. Lakas ng sunstorm.
Mountains of sand.
Tambay muna. Ah, lakas. Wala na kagad yung karne eh. Shot to, shot. Shot to, note ka lang dyan oh. Ay, nakapatay ka. Takbuhan na. Upgrade natin to. Yun. Punta na tayo dun sa ano natin. Side quest. At node ka lang dyan, mami sa'yo na oh. Saan pumunta yun? Ay, wala, ikot. Magra-rides tayo, camel toe yan. Camel toe yung rides natin. Bakit? Tungkol saan? Oh. Kukunin muna natin to. Ay, tangina, hindi ka tinamaan. Ayun. Duling na. Ayun nga. Bawal ka. Ay, gago. Ay, dito. Ayun. Dito na pala yung ano natin. Mission side quest. Hoy. Dami natang kalaban Galing ng drone ko eh, oh. Kita lahat ng mga kalaban eh. Isa. Ayun na, dalawa, oh. Uy, tatlo lang. Tatlo lang kalaban. Hindi tayo daan. Sa likod, sa likod. Ayun o. Ah, naghiwalay na sila. Deads na sa akin ito isa.
That's Bayer. He will save us.
Patay. Meron pa pala oh. Apat pa. Ay, meron pa isa. Ay, tangi. Mahuli pa. Dito ka, halika rito. Patay. Isang Branco, shoutout sa'yo. Kalbo ka rin. G-Shot, shoutout sa'yo. Shoutout muna bago tumira. Eto, patay oh. That's na lahat to. Ay, gagi! Oh, nakita ko! Tangin na. Tangin na. Tayo, nakita na ako. Mapapalaban tayo, dami nila. Dami. Nahanap na ako niya mga yan.
Hey now, better be careful. Probably won't.
Bahala kayo, mga tanga.
Do not let them see you.
Ay, nahanap ako nun, oh. Shot muna ba? Bago shoutout. Kasi malalasing ako niya. Panay, shot muna. Mag-inom ka na rin para masaya. Pare. Eto, labanan na natin itong tatlong to. Ina mo. Ano? Patay. Patay. Parang to si Leon Guerrero na naiiwasan yung pana eh. Patay ka sa akin. Ano ka? Patay ka. Ano, ikaw.
Easy shot, well in range.
Ano, ano.
In my range.
Patay ka sa akin. Patay, ano? Brutal na brutal, pare. Shot na. Tayo na. Ah, puta na. Ano? Patay. Ubos. Inubos na lahat.
Quickly, go! Where is Telemon?
Biling.
They are
Ito. Bubuhatin natin to. Pabigat tong ano eh. May pabigat. Lus na naman ako dito. Lus na naman. Pare, lus na naman to. Nasaan na yung camel toe ko? Ayun. Dito ka. Ayan. Ang hirap ilagay niya, no? Oh. Binuhat, pare. Lus na naman to. Parang ikaw lang. Ayan, oh, ha? Dalhin mo na yan doon. Ay, hindi. Mamaya na. Magluluts muna tayo. Ayo, akala ko ba ako muna? Ba't parang naiintindihan mo ba? Kala ko ako muna. Ay, ano? Hindi. Abi, bigat na binubuhat, pare. Lus ka agad to. Ano ba yun, putang ina? Ayun. May kalaban pa, oh. Patay to agad, pare. Lus ka agad to. Lus ka agad yan. Ayan, siniko. Buhay pa. Hindi pwedeng mabuhay. Hindi dapat pwedeng mabuhay. Nalinaw pag lus-lus. Hindi naman nalinaw, ah. Tangina, mabigat pa, mabigat. Maraming ano dito. Eto. Yung drone ko, hindi ahas eh. Ano to? Mali yan. Yung drone ko, hindi ahas. Ano to? Uwak. Ang daming kalaban dito, ah.
Hoy, may na.
I-loads na natin yan. Gago, tumambay ka lang dyan habang nagiinom ka. Wala ka namang gagawin eh. Mag-ano lang tayo dito, loots. XP rin nga, XP. Ayun, patay na to, oh. Unang biktima. Napanood ko yung video, pare. Pinanood sa akin ni parang Jason. Suka sa sasakyan. Ano ba to? Putang ina, end captivity. Putaya, suka sa sasakyan, ah. Tangina, may patay, oh. Si Mami to, Mami. Hindi ko masabi. Madadali tayo. Mami. Si Mami, Mami. Tangina, buta. Matitip. Parang hindi ko pa mission to, ah. Balik na lang tayo. Next slide. Ano to? Tingnan na natin itong map na to. Ito. Temple of Fast travel. Yan. Kaya para beer lang ininom nyo na parang suka sa sasakyan na. Saan ba yun? Ay, gago. Mali pala. Kukunin ko pa yung Putang ina. Yung pasyenteng sakay ko nandun. Dadaling ko pala dito. Mali ang puta, bobo. Ay, tangina mo kasi, inuulol mo ako eh. Ay, putang ina, nagalit tuloy. Makikidaan lang ako eh, nagalit. Ayan, inahabol na ako. Putang ina. Tang ina nga. Tang ina. Mamatay na ako. Tang ina. Mamatay na. Bobo ka. Talon, bilis. Ling Guerrero, talon. Talon. Tang ina. Ayan. Okay. Napadaan tuloy ako doon. Gagi, nasa na yung Ito ba yun? Yan nga, ito. Buhat-buhat ko na naman. Lus-lus na naman to. May nahabol pa tuloy sa akin. Ayan na, inahabol na tayo. May buhat pa ako. Lus-lus na naman to. Kaya dyan ka muna sa Putang ina ka. Ito. Ayaw mo tumigil kakahabol. Ha? Ayaw mo tumigil. Ina ka. Tumigil ka na. Ayun o. Nakalimutan kita eh. Sakay. Map. Saan tayo doon? Doon. Salamat doon sa mga nag-share ha. Ayun o, may nag-share, 2. Tapos may nanonood, 100 oh. So, 100 na nanonood ha. Nood lang kayo.
Pasend po lang.
Pwede mong Gcash. Pwede mong Gcash. Ayan, pulutan ko, gulay na lang, kimchi na lang. Wala na nanonood, nagalit. Yeah. Buti, maliit na lang yung binubuhat ko.
Where is he, sir?
She lies here with her son and daughter.
Tala ba?
The entire family.
Sadly, I see Terramoon also paid the price for his recklessness. I warned him that his rebelliousness would bring torment and suffering.
Sana all.
What happened?
Sana all din.
They saw
Sana
the
all
soldiers
para
coming and
Cedric.
hid in the cellar. But the soldiers burnt the house to the ground to teach everyone a lesson.
Sana all may kadate sa SM.
Put the body down there. They will journey to the door together.
Ang bigat na oh. Hindi mo pa ba ipababa to?
Give them a proper burial.
Ibaba na natin to. Magkakaluslus na ako. oh.
What you killed, Seni. It is Ptolemy's sick regime.
Ito, si Telmer nanonood eh. Ayun na. Patay na. Patay ka. Saan ka ba? Ayun o. Yan o. Diyan ka na.
Find more than he had here.
Solo lang ba? Kala na may kasama eh. Level 3 na tayo. Side quest pa, side quest. Side quest. Oy, may 3 nanonood. Side quest. Solo lang ba sa SM? Ito. Doon sa ano. Oy, may apa na nanonood oh. Nood lang kayo dyan habang nagiinom. Ano wala? Dalawa na lang. Ang galing. Set kayo dyan oh. Ito pulutan oh. Pulutan.
Kids. Representation bukas. Matulog na.
Oh, hindi. Maghapon aircon.
Ay, po, daddy. Lakad na, lakad. Patay na yung aircon. Patay na yung aircon. Ayaw ni daddy.
Mamaya mo na buksan. Yung isa kasi buksan mo.
Great God, Amun! It is our own Bayek.
Buti ginawa ng Assassin's Creed to. Automatic na oh. Waiting na lang tayo. Automatic papunta dun sa location no. Ayun na, wala na. Lagi, ayun may kalaban no. Target located. Ba tayo?
The Emma I gave. I used to come here as kids. Bandits must be inside.
Kill bandits.
Kit, is that you?
Ah.
What are you doing?
Bayek, I heard you were back. Keep quiet. They're here.
Ano? Oy, may kalaban nga agad. Hay ka sa kanila. Ay, wala nanonood eh.
Tell me, and I'll pay them all.
Ayun.
Hey!
Lakas!
Tulog ka na ba?
Lakas nung kalaban ah. Deads tayo. Refill muna ng buhay.
Not sure what to do. There's so many of them.
Isa-isa kayo sa akin. Sa ulo, tama. Puta na, mahina, bawas. Kailangan to, assassinate.
Just don't relax. No kills on our side, right? Be safe trying. But I'm ready.
Ano? Good. Ay, ammo full. Assassinate natin. Assassinate. Ito, sabay atake. Uy. No mats.
Balance with it twice before coming back here.
Patay lahat. The treasure tayo. Ano? May shield? Ano yung may shield? May treasure pa. Hanap treasure tayo. Dalawa pa lang eh. Tangina, gumagalaw ka pa ah. Patay. Kalbong brutal. Ano yung isang ano? Nawawala.
Bayek, the spring, you got it back. Thank the gods. The farm is...
Ayun, eh. Patay. Putang ina, bobo. Quest. Ay, map. Sumula natin yung map na yan. Yung camel toe natin. Camel toe!
Give me an excuse to cut you up! Any excuse!
Die!
Nakadami mong sinasabi ah. Ay, tangina, natatali ko. Ay, ito. Alilia ha.
We're innocent.
Fire! Al-Majah!
What happened to your blacksmith shop?
Those naked-yaded soldiers.
Benipe said the tools are in Camp Shetje. And the captain who is behind this, he's in Camp Shetje as well.
Tayo.
He has brought great sorrow to us all.
Sipakin muna natin yan.
Stop your shit!
The statue has been destroyed. But not the men behind it.
Si Bak. Tignan natin yung drone. Ayun. Sisibakin natin yung mga yan. Ayan oh. Mga tulog oh. Mga tulong guys oh. Sibak sa atin yan.
Must be careful now.
Ayan oh. Pa isa oh. Tatayo ka pa ah. Paana? Magalaw pa eh. No mercy. Oh. Pinapana ka agad. Ito tulog din oh. Ano? Ha 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 ha. Panahin natin yan. Brutal, kalbong brutal.
Benipe's tools.
Patayin natin yung ano. Wala.
Hey now.
Kaya okay at okay na. Ano? Patay ito. Patay. Nakakita pa tayo dyan. Patay ito sa atin. Oh, may palabas. May pababa. Ano to? Ano ginagawa mo dyan ah?
That's for my friend. That's everything. Benny
Ayan
will
na.
be pleased to hear it.
Hindi pwede. Ayan o. Haha. Kalbong brutal. Brutalin natin yan. May isa pang natitira. Ayun o. Yari sa atin yan. Buhay ka pa ba? Patay na lahat ng kalaban. Yeah.
Bayek, how did it go?
Here are your tools. The captain won't ever come back here.
At last, I can reopen my shop. Many thanks.
My pleasure.
I found these weapons I had hidden from the soldiers. Choose one.
Bibili tayo.
They're all of it.
Sa
That
amin.
bow uses a special twine. It does not strike deep, but you can shoot very quickly. Go ahead, choose one.
Pero,
They're all of equal value.
yun yan. Ito.
The shield is made with bronze and leather. Good protection. Some
Wala
weapons
lang
bounce
yung-
right off it. That bow uses a special twine.
Thank you, my friend.
Light bow,
Come by
light
my
bow,
shop
light bow.
anytime, Bayek.
Peter. Ito ba yun? Ganda to eh. Crescent. Wala lang. Magahan tayo, magahan. Para masaya. To. The healer. You know, idol ko sa paggawa ng PC, ayan nanonood, Master John Mejerito, aka JJ. aka hindi nanonood.
Rabia!
Bayek! It does my heart good to have you again in Siwa.
You now send her back to health. Never expected to see her again.
She is a tough old bird.
Like you, eh?
Bayek.
Epsifa tells me you are healing the villagers as best you can. It would give me much pleasure to help you.
That is kind of you. May Akar be blessed. I can always use help. The soldiers are brutes. Almost every villager has cuts, bruises, broken bones. To help them, I put together a makeshift paramount in the old ruined temple. Friends bring me medicine from Yama, but now the soldiers stop everyone entering the village and steal the goods. So, we tried to bring medicine on a boat instead.
And the soldiers stopped that also.
They sank the last shipment. The medicine jars are scattered across the bottom of the lake.
I will get them for you.
Thank you, Bayek. Bring it to the old temple. I must go there now.
the healer, oh.
Senukin.
Medicine jars retrieve. Find and get the jars from sunken ship. Ba, takbo ka ng takbo. Oh, wala, may nice scavenger, ah. Ay, putik, tumakbo. Nilangoy. Langoy natin to. At ang layo pa pala. Ayun o. May pa isa.
Rabia is waiting for these jars.
Ay, gago, bumangga. Lasing na yung nagdadrive eh. Nasaan na yun? Nalaglag ata. Hunt muna tayo. So, walang viewer. Ayan, nagtakbuhan na. Ay, putang na naman. Ito yung isa. Matatapos na live natin. Inaantok na ako. Magsasounds na lang tayo. Ay, gagi. Saan ka pupunta? Can you tell me what purple love goes wrong? Can somebody tell me how to? Oh God, give me the reason. Ano ba kailangan natin? Upgrade. Ay, hindi. Ito. ako. Ambush to, Lods. Ambush. Ayan na, oh. Yari, ambush to. Ano ka ba, ha? Ang bilis. Ayan na ka. Patay. Kuha yan. Ano? Patay. Isa pa. Patay. Ayan na, ambush yan. Asan pa, asan pa? Imposible! Yun o, may nanonood o. Tambay. Mahal kita. Wala akong Dapat yung laptop na lang binuksan mo. Sa sounds. Mahanap lang kita. Ayaw na. Ayaw na. Ambush ka na naman. Ambush ka. Ayaw na. Ano? Patay. Hindi makalis. Asan?
Nanonood ka ni Naloloba.
Ano din?
Nanonood ka ni Naloloba.
Oo nga, no. Sige.
Marunong, alam mo pa, dalawa yung password. Marunong na daw sila pa dito. Sino mamamod po sila?
Mamaya, baka masira, ah.
Marunong yan. Parang yan.
Sige, gago. Ano yun?
What has happened? Why aren't the patients in the temple ruins?
The soldiers threw us out.
Makaihi.
Even though I paid the Nomad to allow me to use the temple, every few weeks soldiers come to take our medicine and food stocks. Always the same soldiers. They call it a tribute. A tax for the Pharaoh's royal army. We barely have what's needed to take care of the poor souls that need our help.
Vultures. Don't worry, Rabia. I will make certain they don't bother you anymore.
Be careful, Bayek.
Kill the soldier pillaging the house of life.
It's hardly worth raiding.
God's name.
Wala. Mamitin ako eh. Papyrus. Oh, putang ina, dami na yun. Ito nga, nasa na?
Worms, take you!
Yun o. Kunin muna natin yung ano dito. Ah, puro poison. Puro poison. Hidden Poppers. Agad sa taas. Asan yun? Ah. Hindi mo... Ayun! Ayan.
Did you succeed?
Yes!
Temple is yours now. Your soldiers won't bother you again.
All my patience, thank you.
I almost forgot to give you your medicines from the sunken boat.
You know, the excitement, I forgot about them myself.
The Oasis of Siwa is lucky to have you, Rabia.
Promise me you will not become consumed with your vengeance, Bayek.
I think of nothing else. By the grace of Amun, one day I will be free of it.
Right decision, Gerek.
Shot sa mga nanonood, oh. Mga no? Isa ka lang. Yon. Ito muna tayo dito para fast travel. Camel toe, tara. Camel toe. Punta doon. Mahusay yung camel toe ko eh. Nasunod ko saan gusto pumunta ko. Pero, akitin natin yan. Gago. Gagawin mo dyan. May background sounds tayo, mga master.
Stone Saga. I brought Hemu here not so long ago.
Yon. That's nice. And me. Kunin na natin yung main mission natin, mga lods. Bueno, main mission, no? False Oracle. Mag-hunt po na. Hunt muna tayo. Tamang hunt. Patay. Sunog. You betrayed me. La 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 la. Ay, shit. Tangina. Matagpo. Fuck. Hindi pa natin kailangan yun eh. Ano eh. Lumber. I wait you good and goodbye. Leopard to. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Oh. Ano ka? Oh, ito ka naman. Pag tatatakbo ha, may poison na yan bro. Every time you hold me down, I surrender. Every time you lose me, I forget. Fast travel na tayo. Oh. Hold me down, I surrender. Every time you feel, I forget. Parang may hirap rin to eh. Ayan no. Lagyan na natin yan. Tayo na sa mission. Mission possible. Dami tayo re-rescue dito.
I should be cautious around here.
Tangina ka.
Watch each other's backs. No surprises. Eyes open. Steady on. Hey, what?
Ay putik.
You must die! On. Lighting the brazier!
Got you.
Well within range!
Ah, reinforcement. May reinforcement, bro. Loko-loko! Pag nahuli, putang ina, dami. May drone ako dito. Hindi taga-sumbong ng ano. Hindi taga-sumbong to. Yung sa inyo, taga-sumbong eh. Dapat let's start it. Putang ina, daming bantay oh. Putang ina, hindi ako na mamamatay. Ah! Bobo. Patay. Wala na yung target ko, puta. Ayun, ayun oh. Ay, putang eh.
Worms can't have
Dami. Dami.
Please, let me out. My family needs me.
Ayun yung target natin, oh. Oy. Ay, gagi. Makahuli pa tayo. Tayo sa taas. Ito yung walang huli. Tangay, umakit sa taas tapos dito pupunta, no? No. Hindi ko pa hinintay. Patay na sana yan, no?
Behold this, my lord.
One may have heard an ancient story. No,
Ay, layo na naman. Oh, naka. Oh, ayun nga. Ayun ka. Patay ka! Nice one, first mission. That's na.
You have returned.
To right your wrong.
I die my work unfinished. So close, so very close to ushering in the perpetual rule of the strong and virtuous. Virtue! What will give us the power of the gods? What is one boy?
What is one boy?
Papa?
Anak niya yung anak niya.
So close. Hey, one more.
Okay.
Hey,
Well, I can try. This way I'll get two.
sure.
Well,
Strong. Ready?
yes. Oh, you made me miss. You. Come here. I found a Heineken. A real one? Yes.
Go ahead.
You're gonna love it. There's like 16 hyenas, and they're so dark and scary. Well, you know what? I'd rather go hunt with my papa. You always get too scared.
Hey. Let's go on a real hunt. Huh?
All right.
Come.
What are we hunting?
The Oracle wants the belt of an ibex stag for the ceremony.
You will stand next to the pharaoh, won't you, buddy? You're the Magi. When I'm Magi, I'll stand next to the pharaoh. You'll never be Magi. Too scared. That's not true. What about the hyena kid? Shut up.
Enough, you two.
The sand is so hot on my feet.
Sometimes they light on fire. It makes you faster.
I want my...
It is up ahead.
Can I come?
Your mother's waiting for you.
All right. See you at the ceremony, Hamu. Bye, Chinziro.
Hard is around here. Big, giant horns. Quiet now. Do what I do. Hey, this is my favorite part. Stand there. They will spot us unless we become like Amun, the god of hiddenness.
Yes, Papa. We are the hidden one.
See? My eyes and hand are in line with the arrow. That is the only way to shoot true.
I wish I could put 100 arrows on this bow.
Hit.
Did you hurt him?
A clean shot to the heart hardly hurts at all. Let us get that belt. We will take this to the Oracle before it gets dark.
One day, I want to shoot an arrow through the sun.
You can. Your arrow will have to become cylindrical.
Imagine, all my arrows are centers. Then I'll be able to hunt anything.
You said you'd like to see the Pharaoh up close.
Yeah,
What if you stand with me by his side?
can I do that?
As my son and the future Magi, yes.
Papa, what is a Magi really?
The first Magi was a protector of the Pharaoh. But now, it means you must protect all the people of Egypt. Not just protect them, but work for their well-being.
Oh, Papa, I'm so excited to be Magi one day. You know all the secrets of Siwa. What if I never grow up to be a Magi?
Of course you will. You are my son.
But I get scared. I try to be brave, but sometimes it's hard.
Hold on. Let's go this way. Hold on. Let's go this way. When I was about your age, sometimes I got scared too. Your grandfather was a well-known Magi, and he wanted me to bring honor to the family when I succeeded him.
Yeah?
One day, he took me up this way. At the top, he said something to me. A single word. It changed me.
One what?
I got over my fear. I knew I could do anything I needed to.
What did he say?
I will tell you once we are there.
What did your father say?
Jump. Don't think so long. Jump.
Yes, Papa.
Trust me. You can.
I do. I will.
Jump then. Come back. You're not ready.
I can do it, Papa. I can.
Shut up, you filthy little shit.
Help me! That's Shanjira.
I said shut up.
Run home to your mother. Chenzera will be fine. I will take care of it.
Magi Bayek!
Go. Now.
I'm scared. I don't want to go home alone.
Emu, just do what I say, please. Go!
Magi Bayek!
I'm indeed Magi here. Who summons me?
Sheath your weapon and follow me.
You said you only wanted to talk to him.
Lalabanan natin to.
Come.
Who are you to command to me?
We have the range. Don't push your luck on my lead, brother. Over here. I will nail him.
Nakalabawan.
Don't push your luck, idiot.
Oh. Oh.
Didn't want to be seen, sir. Kept to the shadows.
We are pleased you have joined us, Magi. It is of great importance that we gain access to the vault. The temple priests stubbornly refuse.
Shout out, Terdy.
You are perhaps
Maglaro ka na rin neto, Terdy.
to the order.
Pabili ka sa daddy mo ng laptop.
Convince you otherwise.
Sabay mag-inom ka na rin. Oy, pinsan, Patrick, shoutout sa'yo. From Sala. Shoutout kay pinsan Patrick.
See that no one comes in.
Are you hurt?
Go ahead. Try it your way.
I'll leave my son out of there!
Your son has something to explain to you. Would the Ibis show him the orb? We believe we need this to enter the vault.
Pinsan Patrick, shot tayo, pinsan.
The boy is frightened. It's all right.
Papa, they need you to tell them about the vault. They need to know how to use this.
Gago, hindi ako pano.
Don't know anything about this vault!
Yung tinuturo sa'yo ng tatay mo, hindi.
It will be discovered quickly.
Hindi tayo panot, 3D.
Talk to your son. If the vault isn't open when we return, you'll never see him again.
Ah,
Papa! I did what you said, but
He's so nice.
Papa, I can get it to you.
No, come on, don't.
You're going to hurt us.
Come on.
3D, kamukha mo yan, oh, yung bata. Kamukha mo. Ah,
Take your time. Tell us.
So, I don't know.
We must go now.
I will cut the heart from the boy.
Wait.
He will never know the afterlife.
No, I will tell you. No.
Stop for time.
This is madness.
The snake takes that as your answer.
ah! Patay niya pala yung anak niya. Oh,
We thought you were dead. You could not even save your own son. You are no one. Bayek of nothing. Father to nobody.
ah.
It's a nobody. May the hidden one greet you. The Lord of the Duat awaits.
Ah, wasak ang mukha. Napapa loko hindi. Ano?
Be sure you are ready before you go.
I must leave Siwa. There are others to whom I must deliver justice. Especially the one known as the snake.
Tanong mo sa daddy mo.
Aya has
Mukhang
been
bornig yun mukha niyan.
I must find her.
She said she would be busy.
Oh shit! Layla, you need a refill on cyclosporin.
Bravo, Daya.
Stat! Layla! Wakey wakey!
You do a good job looking after me.
Oh, wala na kayo dyan. Di ko alam yan.
Going back in. This is so badass.
Be careful.
Asa?
I must protect this great land. Alexandria is where the snake thrives, and Aya lives. I must find them both.
Okay na.